Turning your interior design into something elegant involves creating a space that feels timeless, balanced, and sophisticated. Elegance in design isn't just about expensive furniture or luxurious materials. It's about thoughtful choices that create a harmonious atmosphere. Here are some key principles to help elevate your space. 1. Embrace neutral and muted color palettes. Soft neutrals like whites, grays, beiges, and taupes create a serene and timeless look. Elegant spaces often avoid overly bold or jarring colors. For warmth and depth, add accents in muted tones, such as soft blues, greens, or pastel pinks, but keep them subtle to maintain the sophistication. Monochromatic schemes or variations within one color family can also be elegant, creating a refined atmosphere. 2. Choose high-quality materials. Natural materials like wood, marble, leather, and linen add a luxurious touch without being ostentatious. Choose quality over quantity. Incorporate textural contrasts, smooth marble with tactile velvet, soft wool with sleek metals. This adds depth and interest without making the space feel cluttered. 3. Focus on simple, clean lines. Opt for furniture with sleek, clean lines rather than overly ornate or overly contemporary pieces. Classic silhouettes like a tufted sofa or a mid-century modern chair never go out of style. Avoid overcrowding the space. Elegance comes from negative space, room for each piece to breathe and be appreciated. 4. Use statement pieces. Sparingly. Select a few statement pieces that stand out, such as an art piece, a designer chair, or a sculptural light fixture, but avoid overwhelming the space with too many. The idea is for these pieces to complement the space and elevate the atmosphere without taking over. 5. Invest in lighting. Lighting is key to an elegant interior. Choose a mix of ambient, task, and accent lighting. Consider chandeliers, pendant lights, or sconces with clean, modern lines or soft, classic designs. Use warm-toned bulbs to create a cozy, inviting glow rather than cold, stark lighting. 6. Pay attention to proportions and scale. Furniture and decor should be well proportioned to the size of the room. Overly large furniture in a small space can make it feel cramped, while small pieces in a large room can seem insignificant. A balanced arrangement with the right scale and symmetry can elevate the design to look more curated and intentional. 7. Incorporate art and accessories with purpose. Choose artworks and accessories that complement the overall aesthetic of the room. Elegant spaces often feature a curated selection of art or decorative objects rather than random or overly personal items. Mirrors with interesting frames, vases with simple but sophisticated flowers, or textiles like throw pillows in luxe fabrics can add an element of style without overwhelming the design. 8. Refine your textiles and fabrics. For an elegant touch, opt for luxurious textured fabrics like velvet, silk, wool, and linen in your upholstery, curtains, cushions, and bedding. Layering textures is key. For example, mix soft velvet cushions with a linen throw or a silk rug. These elements add richness and comfort to the space. 9. Keep clutter to a minimum. Elegance thrives in simplicity. Keep surfaces clean and organized. Use storage solutions that keep personal items out of sight. Incorporate hidden storage and multifunctional furniture to maintain a tidy, calm environment. 10. Add subtle luxury with metal accents. Incorporate metallic accents like brass, gold, silver, or chrome in small touches. Think picture frames, light fixtures, or a metal-framed mirror. Avoid heavy use of metal finishes. Instead, opt for matte or brushed metals for a more understated, sophisticated effect. 11. Opt for a classic furniture arrangement. Symmetry can make a space feel balanced and serene. For example, place two matching chairs on either side of a sofa or position artwork in the center of the room with equal space around it. Create conversation areas by arranging seating in a way that encourages social interaction without crowding the room. 12th. Integrate nature plants are an excellent way to bring life and elegance into a space. Choose sophisticated plants like a large fiddle leaf fig, olive tree, or pothos in tasteful planters. Keep them neatly arranged and ensure they fit the style of the room. Planters in elegant finishes like matte ceramic or marble can be great choices. 13. Personalize without overdoing. Add personal touches, but be selective. Instead of displaying personal photos everywhere, consider adding one or two high-quality framed photos or artwork that aligns with the overall aesthetic. Curated objects that reflect your style, like books, sculptures, or a vintage clock, can add elegance without creating visual clutter.